Okay, I'm out at our whole house renovation we just finished out here in Excelsior. Here's pretty much everything new on this house here. Siding, roofing, lighting, beautiful lot. About a 1 1/3 acre here. So this was, we'll get some after pictures later. So garage, nice garage heater in here. One of those hot dogs they call them. Nice window, trimmed out really well. And I'll take you through so again, this is a whole house remodel. We did everything all down to the studs. So washer dryer, custom pantry in here, really nice deep sink instead of those, white kind of cheap ones. And then here's our main floor bath. We flipped this, it was on the other side facing the kitchen, the old kitchen. So that's, turn that around, got it into the mudroom, more appropriate place. So let's take a look at our basement here. Ledge was done here. This is a quartz ledge, custom railing. We'll go all the way down here. We added a new bath and a bedroom down here. So under the steps, we got some custom built-ins, tons of storage inside of these. Floor to ceiling storage there from our cabinet shop. And then added an egress, so we cut into the foundation there. Nice double doors, nice good sized closet for a guest bedroom. And then over here, we've got our custom kind of seating area. Some nice decorative panels here. Again, another really cool quartz top. And 4 floating shelves. Those are steel rods into the framing, so you could probably hang off of one of those. Really nice entertainment center. We of course have power up here if they want to hang a TV here. A lot easier and better than cutting into that top. So nice little family TV area. Here's the new bathroom over here. This is kind of measured out for a pool table, and we even put a electrical up there if they want to hang a pool table light. So here's our brand new bathroom. And really nice shower, all tiled. And really good storage solutions in here. Little recess area there. Custom vanity. Again, really nice, especially for a basement. And mechanical room in there. Nothing too exciting outside of your mechanicals. So let's take a look upstairs. Main level into the kitchen. And again, this was a complete remodel, the entire home. So as we walk into our kitchen, built-ins are on the fireplace. Let's spin around here. Some privacy. We got a nice barn door. Little gold accents in here. Gold's kind of coming back a little bit. So just this one area, we did the gold. Just a little bit here. Hardware on the built-ins. Awesome fireplace. And then a little bit of gold accent in that light. Brand new patio doors. And then we custom made and designed this wine cabinet. The ledge is sloped just a little bit so your bottles stay where they're supposed to be. Nice little wine fridge. Tons of storage. Here's the picture artwork. Here's the utility or the appliances. Brand new fridge, stove. There's some, again, these are the shelves are right into the house's studs. Microwave, real popular, these kind of drawer type microwaves. And they got a lot of storage solutions in this. Farmhouse sink, trim, and we custom made a hood here too. So there's, we kind of take a step back here, and there's that area. So again, this more built-ins here. This used to be where the bathroom entrance was. So I'll spin around. Here's our living room. Really nice. Some nice beams. There's our chandelier here. Really nice beams throughout the house. But there's a living room there. Again, more custom built-ins here. And a nice 3-season porch. Here's our library office area. This is really cool. Nice open area here. Vaulted ceiling. We did that. This room is spray foam insulation all the way from floor to ceiling, all the way up. So probably one of the more energy efficient homes you'd ever find, especially in Excelsior. So, and here's our 3-season porch. Outside you'll see a custom made deck, maintenance free, and some lighting in here. And we kind of did a little accent siding in here that kind of warms the room up a little bit. So that's that. Now I'll take you, and then the entryway, I'll show you one thing I really like. So new door, really matches the age of the home, with some obscure glass. Built this in, kind of a custom boot bench. You know, those bifold doors that you usually find in houses are not really appealing and they're kind of clunky. And we also built some shelving in here. So again, Katani did this. So it's a real nice feature when you walk in. So that's that area. Let's walk upstairs and I'll show you the master bedroom, which is my favorite. So here's your master. All hardwood. Walk in here, custom closet. Really cool built-ins and storage options and floating shelves. And this is really a favorite. Really nice closet there. Here's our bathroom, luxury bath here. Again, vaulted ceiling, really open. Check out this shower that's like 8 feet high of glass. Really beautiful tile, niche over there. Shower head for a rain, like a rainfall shower head, and then your standard, then a wand. Again, more custom shelving, niche, nice luxury tub, and custom vanity and linen here in this bathroom. And then a sliding glass, a barn door style, gives you a little more room. And then here's the master, which is just really cool. So we put in some of these horizontal windows. There was no light in here, so brought in some natural light. And I'll take a step back here. So love this room, really open. Switches for each light on each side of the bed, kind of a his and hers deal. Again, vaulted ceiling. Feels really open and comfortable. Built-in walnut dresser. That's really pretty. And then their own private patio, private deck out here overlooking the backyard. So really nice feature there. So, okay, there's the master bedroom. Getting beams, really cool original features that we painted, and again, did all the work on the ceiling. And then here's the upper level bath, custom vanity again. And again, we put another one of these windows in here just to get some natural light. Let me open it up a little bit, more custom tile. And then this is quartz top, custom rail. And here's one of the bedrooms upstairs. And what I really like about these, I'll kind of swing over here, is it's got a patio for both bedrooms, the deck outside of the sliding door. So nice deck to the backyard. That's the other bedroom door there, but really cool. Nice privacy up here, just to sit out and read a book, whatever you want to do. And then I'll take you to the other upstairs bedroom here. All right, now this one, same thing. We've got the patio door going out to the deck. A lot of closet space because we've got this closet, which is kind of your standard closet, but we made some custom built-ins here, and these uppers are meant to hang clothes. So we've got room in there for that, and great area for, if you're doing homework or whatever, and you already got a built-in dresser in here, which a lot of storage space. So really cool room, and again, access to outside. So again, this house was listed for $850,000 and sold for $1.1 million because of all the upgraded and the quality workmanship and craftsmanship that went into it. So that's it for the tour. On to the next one, and stay tuned for the next home that we do some work. And again, if you're interested in a whole house remodel, I think this shows you the quality of the work that we do in our team, and real proud of their effort that they put into this. So we'll get some before pictures with this video as well, so you can see what it used to look like. It was a big transformation. All right, till the next one. Thanks.